Hi everybody, Rick McEvoy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is the release date of Luminar 4. So today I am writing about 50 photos created with Luminar for AI Sky Replacement. It's early in the morning. I wanted to do this on the day of the release, so this is the video that accompanies the blog post. In this video I just want to show you how quickly and how easy it is to change the sky in Luminar 4. Now I might not go through all 50 photos with you, I might spare you that delight. I've got Lightroom fired up here. The 50 photos that I posted in a previous video are in that same Lightroom collection, so let's just dive in and see what happens. Photo number 1. This is it. Now the scaffold's not horrendous, it sort of adds to the drama of the scene, which is a photograph of a live construction site, but I think for a lot of my architectural photos I want blue sky, white fluffy clouds. So let's open it up into Luminar, which is right click, editing, Luminar 4. Now my computer isn't, we have to do that, always a second question. Okay, now we'll just here's something I prepared earlier, which I will get on to. Lightroom will do its thing now. We'll send this photo over to Luminar at some point. Like I say, my photos are all stored on an external hard drive, so it might take a while for the first one to get there. It's still going. Like I say, while waiting for that to happen, and hopefully having this folder open isn't affecting everything. No, it's in a separate window, so we're not really sure how quick that was, but here we are in Luminar. This is the edited photo from Lightroom. If we go back to Lightroom quickly, a new TIFF file has been created. So this is the DNG edited file. This is the new TIFF file, so it's not changing anything in Lightroom, it's just adding to, which is brilliant. So, how do we change the sky? Watch this. Click on Creative down here. AI Sky Replacement, Sky Selection, Blue Sky 1. Done. For this photo, that would be it. So I've gone quiet there because it's just such a quick thing. I want to point out some adjustments that you can do. These are all the Luminar skies. They put some in there, so you can play around to your heart's content. There's actually some new skies since I last had a little play with it. There you go. How about that for a night shot? That's fantastic. Starry night. Sunset. Okay, this is a conventional daytime shot, so we're going to go with Blue Sky 1, which is pretty good. You can use your own skies. Now that's something I'm going to work on. I haven't done it yet, but will do. Blue Sky 1. Horizon blending, if there's there's nothing to do with that one, so we'll leave it. Horizon position, oh there we go, horizon blending. Let's just back it all the way to the right. And you can see there the effect that has. If I just zoom in and reset it. It's actually worth just having a good little look at this one in some detail, see how accurate this is, because this is obviously a very complex image. The scaffold to mask this would take forever. This is some local errors from Lightroom. Look at that masking, that's pretty incredible, isn't it, if you think about it? To mask, well, I wouldn't be able to mask that, so I wouldn't have done it. You can relight the scene. I mean, it's all a matter of tweaking, isn't it? But it has an amount of automatic correction, which is the AI part of it, which is the really clever bit. Sky Global. Just global change to the sky, I guess. Then you got, this is quite a cool one, Sky Defocus. Which, let's just go all the way to the right again, look at that. Makes it pop a bit, doesn't it? Flip the sky. How cool is that? Okay, and sky temperature. Very, very good to have a very quick slider. So we can go cold, warm, somewhere in the middle. And sky exposure. Dark, light. So that's how quick and powerful the AI Sky Replacement tool is, which is something that I will use on commercial photos a lot. I live in England, our weather's rubbish. I wish I lived in California, a Greek island, the Maldives, but I don't. I live in England, we get lots of cloud. Lots of cloudy days when I have shoots pre-arranged, which I have to go ahead with. So that was that one. The other thing I wanted to just show quickly was, let's just apply that. I'm going to go back to Lightroom to watch this happen because it's actually quicker than I remember it being. I think in one of the beta release updates they've sped things up quite a lot. Anytime now a new image is going to appear. I'm going to keep talking and keep looking at the screen because I can't see it when I'm looking at my iPhone. There it is. So let's just compare these two. Let's get rid of the sides. Shift tab. Two photos highlighted. Press the obvious shortcut key of N, and that is a remarkable transformation in seconds. So it works. Obviously for commercial work I would spend a bit more time and refinement on it, but I think the point I want to get over here is the masking is incredibly quick and accurate. I mean, I said it before, I'll say it again, that scaffold is going to be a nightmare to mask, but it's just done it. The other thing I wanted to show is I've added some photos from a folder. So it hasn't got the full library capabilities yet, but what you can do is add photos, and this is what I'd probably do for commercial work, is I'd chuck all the photos in that I'd edited if I want to swap all the skies. So here are 5 photos taken on a cloudy day. These are actual photos issued to an actual client. Let's pick Blue Sky 6. Don't know what it is, but I like that. You notice the power lines here, not an attractive feature I know, but in commercial architectural photography you have to show the real scene. No point removing them, they're there, they're part of the scene. They're still there and unaffected. Masking around the trees, perfect. On to the next one. I was having to think about this one. This is new ground for me and Luminar. Well, new ground on my computer anyway. Okay. We appear to have frozen. Not to worry, we'll go back to this. This video was going to be me editing 50 photos. Let's have a little look, see what's going on. No, well, look at that. I'm still working in the beta version, you have to remember, so there will be the odd bug here and there. I was going to edit 50 photos. I'm not going to inflict that on you, but what I will do is after I've edited those photos, I will publish them on my YouTube channel in a slideshow, which I will do right now. Thanks for watching. Please check out my photography blog, McEvoyphotography.com/blog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now it's early in the morning. Excuse the appearance. I've looked better, I know. It's time to edit 50 photos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.